All right, so this is gonna be the only trade that I took today. Around like 11:45 Central. So this is the Delta profile that we had at the time of the trade. You can see right here we've got this little cluster of buy volume around 58s that we are now breaking down below. This is originally where I wanted to get long, was at the 58s, because we've been auctioning in between like 60s and 68s for quite a long time, and you can see between 60s and 68s is about the bottom half of this massive distribution that we have in between 74s and pretty much down to 54s. So we've been unable to break over these 68s, and specifically really had trouble breaking under these 56s. So I didn't see the reaction that I wanted at 39.58. So now I'm thinking, okay, let's run a couple stops and see what the reaction is like down at this 39.54 buyer, this 39.55 buyer. So I'm gonna go ahead and play the action, and you'll see this was a clear setup. Only trade I took today. Had to be super patient on it. Waited about an hour for this one. So we see buyers not really showing up. Sellers getting pretty aggressive down at this 56 handle. And the reaction is really just perfect for a long. This was the exact reaction that I was looking for. I was thinking, we just need a stop run, basically trap some sellers, late sellers, definitely on this super slow grind down, and then we can look higher. Action has been super slow, just rotating ticks right here at the bottom of the value area. NQ nowhere near its value area low, and also above VWAP. A good sign. This 612 handle was actually a pretty great pivot for this move, but you can see sellers starting to get aggressive again on ES. But we also have weak prints. Maybe a sign that this doesn't want to go lower, but pressure's still there. All lining up for a great long opportunity. Clear the tape. And there we go. There's the impulse down. Sellers getting trapped. And then the bid jumps. So this is actually my exact fill at 55.75 that I had from the session. And immediately all of these prints are trapped. 5 to print, 2 to print, 10 to print. The seller is no longer here, and we've trapped plenty of volume down here. So now we're just looking to bid back higher up into this balance. Specifically want to look for over these 58s. And then once we got over the 58s, float up into these 60s, right around VWAP. You can see NQ's got a ton of trapped short inventory below VWAP. I didn't actually look at the reaction on NQ, but I assume it was relatively the same. That was definitely a tell here. The structural difference, NQ is usually, to quote another trader, it's usually a bit more aggressive in its setups. And buyers usually move quicker on that, or sellers. They're usually leading. So you can tell everybody's trapped down here. Bid held around the 56 handle. And now buyers are coming to market. It's looking good. And there we go. Bid starts jumping. We're up into the 58s now. Let's see what the reaction is here. Some great buy pressure up here, matched on the sell side. But I mean, I'm just gonna keep saying it over and over and over. If buyers are coming to market up here, you're not looking at the reaction at these ticks because the move already happened. We saw the impulse down. We saw the rebid immediately, and all of this inventory is trapped. So now you're leaning on that. You don't need to worry about what's going on now that we're ticking back up into balance. You just want to see us tick up into balance. We shouldn't see these prints revisited. And that's the trade, only one that I took. Hope you all have a great day.